Okay, my coffee is made and I'm at my computer, so I'm gonna spend time on YouTube. I'm going to spend time looking for recipes. I love looking at recipes. I started a vegan diet, so I have started looking up lots of recipes, and I will be showing you my favorite one so far. It is so good. I'm having it for lunch. I highly recommend, even if you're not vegan, it is amazing. It tastes phenomenal. But I'm going to do that with my morning. It's an exciting life, let me tell you. I'm also probably, hopefully, going to change at some point today, but it's not happening right now. We're in the middle of a heat wave and it's really hot and gross, so I'm staying in a t-shirt today. Well, for now. Let's go. Okay, so now that I've done my coffee, I'm going to have a bath and pamper myself because I feel like I need to. I don't know. I feel like it's something that I need to just focus on myself and self-love myself today. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to take time for myself instead of just jumping straight into cleaning my apartment. I'm going to love myself. So let's get started on the bath. Okay, so now that I'm out of the shower, I'm going to put a face mask on because it's self-care day. So I'm going to be using the Youth to the People, I don't know if you can see that, but the Youth to the People kale mask, and it's just like a clay mask. Now I'm just going to moisturize my body and change. So I wanted to talk to you about this new soap that I got. I think it's super cool. It's super awesome. It smells amazing and it's vegan. It's from the company Soak and Unwind, and this is in the scent Lemon Lavender. I also have another one. But it comes with a little tiny rose gold spoon, which I think is the cutest thing in the whole entire world. And it's whipped. So I've used it twice. You just scoop out a little bit and lather in your hands and rub your body with it. Smells amazing. I think it makes me feel like a little princess when I use this. I highly recommend. I will link it down below. But I love it. I think it's super cute. It looks adorable. It makes me feel adorable. It makes me feel like a princess, and there's nothing more I can ask for. Highly recommend. Go check them out. Also, she gave me a free body scrub and it was coffee. And I love the smell of coffee, so I was very happy about that. But I highly recommend go checking it out. Again, this is not sponsored or anything. The link will just be down in the description. So I'm just gonna wait for my face mask to dry, then I'm gonna take it off and just finish with serum and moisturizer and stuff. I'll show you that when it comes to it. But I'm just gonna relax. I'm gonna go relax in bed. Oh, that's why you know what, I have to put this back, so I'll show you the other scent that I got. But I'm gonna relax in bed, and I got was by Ghost, and I love it. in the summer and spring. She has a cake one and it's rainbow colored. I'm so mad I didn't get that one, but I got this one and I like the dual colors of it. I think it's super fun. I will put the scent on the screen, what the scent is of this one, probably lavender because I love the smell of lavender. And this was the little tiny body scrub that I got. It's called Sneaky Coffee. I love it. It smells like chocolate and coffee. It's chef's kiss. Okay, now that my face mask is dry, I'm gonna take it off and add my serums and moisturizers. So I didn't take a video, but here's the end result in a picture, and it was really good. I'm editing my video and I didn't have an outro, so this is your outro. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. I have no idea what video I'll have going up, but I will see you then. Bye!